The Gaelic for food is biadh. Biadh. And drink, deoch. Deoch. Biadh agus deoch. Food and drink. Biadh agus deoch. And before we move on, we should really learn the words for the main meal times. Brachgist, breakfast. Brachgist. And lunch, bhán. Lunch, bhán. And dinner, dinner. Dinner. If you would like something to eat or drink, you say ha mi giari. I am wanting. I want. Or I would like. Ha mi giari. Followed by whatever it is you want. For example, ha mi giari cupa tea. I would like a cup of tea. Ha mi giari cupa tea. If you're hungry, you say han tachgras orm. I'm hungry. Han tachgras orm. And if you're thirsty, it's ha pag orm. I'm thirsty. Ha pag orm.